My name is Monica Reed, and I am the portfolio manager for finance and compliance. I chose to work here at NTI because I was ready to make a move at my last job, and a good friend of mine told me that there was a position open here, and I met with Kakai, and that's really why I came over here. I knew he was going places, and I just kind of wanted to get on his tailcoat and go for a ride. If you don't like the position you're in, you have the ability to change your path, and I am starting my master's degree program, so my goal is to be the CFO, and in order to get there I have to follow a certain path, and that is where I'm at now. Other than hang out with my daughter all the time, she has started bird watching, so I have started bird watching with her, so we do a lot of that. But my fun time is gardening. I spend a lot of time in my yard, and believe it or not, I love picking weeds because it's just, you get to sit on the ground and just start picking weeds and clear out the clutter. And I guess it's symbolism of clearing out the clutter in your head. As a family, we get together and we choose something to watch on the weekend on the television, and we sometimes do it upright with the popcorn and the snacks and the nachos or whatever it is. We get together, and when we decide what day it's going to be. So we do that at least once a week.